Hi, this is the VIVO Y21S and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So if you wanna quick launch for example, camera app or another option by press and hold the down volume button, you should open first the settings, then scroll down to the shortcuts and accessibility, tap to quick action, click on the switcher to turn on this option, and then just select one from these available features. For example, let's open the camera app by press and hold the down volume button, but be sure that your screen is off, and now press and hold the down volume button and we could see that the camera application successfully activated. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.